Napoleon offers heat management systems for every gas fireplace. True flexibility in home comfort. In this video, we'll take a look at these options in terms of good, better, and best, providing you with the confidence to choose the best system for your home. Some of the features and benefits include reduction of clearance to mantles, reduction of height for TV installation, increase in depth for TV recess, a more comfortable room environment, moving the heat where it is wanted, even outside, to allow enjoyment in warmer climates, greater design flexibility in finish materials. As an entry level into heat management, internal blowers and our linear hot air distribution kit offer a more basic movement of airflow. These are your good category of heat management systems. Systems like linear hot air distribution and dynamic heat control plus are perfect for heating multiple spaces or for expelling the heat outdoors for warmer climates. Traditional blowers are included in a variety of fireplaces. These would be mounted inside the fireplace on either one or both sides and provide adequate heat circulation in the room. This system does not allow reduced clearances. Next, we have the linear hot air distribution, or LHAD. This is an optional kit that can be added to some fireplaces. It has a powered heat management system. This LHAD kit moves warm air from the fireplace into a different room using flexible ducting. Again, this good system does not reduce clearance to combustibles. The next level in heat management is our UHM heat management systems under the better category. Napoleon has created this system without the need of electrical or blowers. This passive heat management option moves the heat silently. The UHM system uses ducting to move warm air from within the fireplace body into the same room as the fireplace. Finally, Napoleon's best are three of our most advanced systems, which consist of the Dynamic Heat Control, or DHC, and DHC+, and our most recent system, DHM, or Ducted Heat Management. Napoleon's Ducted Heat Management System, or DHM, is a superior heat management system, including flexible ducting for ease of installation, creating a passive management system requiring no fans or blowers. Providing similar clearances to Dynamic Heat Control, the DHM reduces clearances to mantles and TVs, as well as eliminates the need for non-combustibles. Available as a front or side discharge. The Dynamic Heat Control System, or DHC, is a super high-efficiency heat management system included on the Luxuria linear fireplaces and is optional for a few other models. This system is patented, requiring no ducting, fans, or power to circulate the heat. The heat is transferred more consistently throughout the home, and you can easily install a TV above the fireplace. The Dynamic Heat Control Plus system, or DHC Plus, is the optimal choice in heat management with Napoleon. This is a powered heat management kit that pulls the heat away from the fireplace and expels it into another room, or ideally can be expelled outside. The DHC Plus system is as quiet as a bathroom fan. Don't compromise. Make your moments memorable with Napoleon.